In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple CRM in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-use customer tracking system built from a template with just a few clicks. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type ClickUp. From the results, click the official ClickUp website to open it. Once you're in ClickUp, decide where you want this CRM to live. Choose the space or project that makes the most sense for your workflow, like a sales or operations space. This keeps your CRM organized and easy to find for your team. With your space open, look for the three dots menu associated with that space or project. Click it to open more options. Hover your cursor over the template option to reveal the template tools. Then select Browse Templates. This opens ClickUp's template library, where you can quickly add pre-built structures instead of creating everything from scratch. In the template library, use the search bar and type CRM. You'll see several CRM templates appear, ranging from simple contact trackers to more robust sales pipelines. Take a moment to preview a few. Check what lists, statuses, and custom fields they include so you can pick the option that best fits your process. For example, if you mainly track leads through stages, pick a pipeline-focused one. If you care more about accounts and contacts, choose a template that emphasizes those lists. When you found the right fit, click Use Template. You'll be prompted to name the folder that will be created inside your selected space. Type a clear, descriptive folder name, like Sales CRM or Client CRM, so everyone knows its purpose at a glance. Good naming helps with search and reporting later. Next, confirm by clicking Use Template again. ClickUp will now install the CRM structure for you. This usually includes lists such as leads, opportunities, and customers, along with useful fields like deal value, contact details, and next steps. Depending on your workspace size, it may take a moment to finish. Once it loads, your CRM is ready to go in the space you selected. You can start adding contacts and deals right away. If you want to fine-tune it, you can adjust statuses, rename lists, or hide fields that you don't use. The template gives you a strong starting point, and a few small tweaks will make it feel tailored to your team. That's it. You've just set up a simple CRM in ClickUp using a template quickly and confidently.